ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chagwirigiriye amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereriye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereriye company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Sept babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Omugaso muya mwancho murigirire Getembe TV mugaso bwe ritukeriga rya gatatu ase mutinyo kianda ritukoria Jumatano gose Jumatano ya bene ekirabono ngo kwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono omugaso kurende yabutokireta gekeyemo igoro ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere ikaranso ike erinde nyaro kumanya sinchira ere eyo bwengekema narali agenderete anari muno kurwa ase serikali nene aiga ase ensi ya Kenya ereta kuroko Matildah Obaigwa tukubwaterana ne revenue nyaboke kurwa ase omono wewe manyererio nere Kevin kwane kechificha neriogi yawekere ase nchira ere eya benekema kurwa ase serikali nene mwancho murigirio murai bwense umuske William Ruto nigo ritukoria rero bono anyare kubarigania na boigo kubaitaba bene abambasada abaya abo bakora Chinsa Chesco kocha gukora emiremo gusa gukora okubwaterana ne serikali ya Kenya abambasada abayiga koro ase Chinsa kuna eri ya Slovak Republic yo ekorawa nere Maros Emiteke, currency ya Canada, Ambassador Joshua Brebna, currency ya Spain, James Alejandro, na boigo ense buneri ya Indonesia, ense ya Finland, ense ya Republic of Congo, na boigo ense ya Israel. Abo bono banyara wita wa bene numraye wense asia magacho a State House emambiarero.
Jambo. It is a great honor for me to stand before you today and to convey, on behalf of my head of states, His Excellency Yitzhak Herzog, and on behalf of the people of the State of Israel, our warmest greetings and heartfelt compliments to you personally and for you to the people of the Republic of Kenya. It is my privilege to present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my esteemed predecessor, as well as the letter of credence by which His Excellency President Herzog has appointed me as Ambassador of the State of Israel to the Republic of Kenya.
Today, our ties are stronger than ever. We have seen steady growth and cooperation across many fields, including trade and investment, education, and cultural exchange. Recent agreements and initiatives reflect our joint commitment to building a robust and mutually beneficial partnership.
I feel privileged to have the opportunity to serve my country and strengthen the bilateral relations between Spain and Kenya.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest extent possible the mutual aspirations of the people of our two nations.
Mwancho umurigereria gutikana nayo muna chibi na umonene aiga sensi ya Kenya Martha Koome nigo bono anyarire gukwanira na bwe gukuraria ebitambukiro ekigambiro kyanyarire kwimukia asense yega elio gusonsora ebina na bwe gukora amangana akose kubeka omorembe chinga kiba gusonsora ebina ana muno ase Chinsa mabuna eche county ya Garissa korengana nere buya ekiro ebina bikogambwa ekigambiro kyanyara koena na ribaga na bwe kwene kyabuna abantu abaiga babere gose bikundi ebiga byanyare gukora chinkwana cyo kuigwana elio kugenderera kubeka omorembe na bwe gusiria obobe babere bokone kiwa ase ebisaku ebingi.
I wish to emphasize that AJS plays a critical role in peace building and conflict resolution, and what we are all looking for, a transformed society which is harmonious and allows everybody to realize their full potential. Today we are launching the Our Hustler Justice Center. This space will not only be a hub for dispute resolution, but also a cultural symbol of peace, dialogue, and unity. And that's why today I am adorning with a lot of grace and pride this attire of Somali women to celebrate you. Our Asla means reconciliation in Arabic. It captures the spirit of the center. It will be a place where wisdom of elders and the moral authority of religious leaders and the knowledge of trained mediators will converge to offer our people solutions that bring healing in relationships rather than deepen divisions. This is a place where justice will be served not as a punishment, but as a restorative mode of mending broken bonds and about creating lasting peace in our society.
na ase chisemi omo konye bumrai bwensi omusike kithure kindiki nigo bono anyarire kwenekia buna gwikira bono nigo eserikali yanyarire komenta ebirengo bye chibesa chiria chikogenda ase kiganja gyokwana na chilo nigo chiase aborokiwa ekiganja kya help korengana no musike kindiki eyene nchire yamo yoko roberia gose kuhororobia amasomo ase chi college chi university na boigo chi skuru cho bobundi aiga ase ense ya Kenya ni garinge ukona ya kora ase county ya Embu ikiranyarete gukora okumirana na Basai.
Today, the Vice Chancellors will tell you the funding model we are using is better, and many universities that were in debt are slowly stabilizing financially. We have also said, as much as there are issues around the means testing tool, we will refine the means testing tool going forward to make sure that students who cannot afford fees are not locked out of college because of the university funding model we are using. And you've seen already the funding to higher education loans board has increased. Last year, we gave help 35 billion. This year, it is 41 billion. Comrades, power. Fire, see fire. So we are thinking about how do we make our education better, more relevant, of high quality, accessible, affordable, because that agenda is an agenda for young people. We, again, are very serious in terms of job creation. I've told you what we are doing to employ more people like teachers in the public sector. But there are certain interventions we are making in the private to make sure the private sector absorb more people.
Nase oboremi ekiombe ikyo korigereria chimbusuro chigosime kwa aiga sinse ya Kenya ebimberi na boigo ebintu byonsi bigotumeka ase ensemo yoboremi gosime manyakanate buna inputs ekyo kyamanyakanate buna kefis nigo bono kyanyarire kurwa ogochika na boigo kwane kyabuna nkechiko basoera bali abande bonsi baratoke bakonia chimbusuro chitari chingiye gochiase abaremi nigo bono ekiombe ikyo kyanyarire goteba nigo abatenere bekiombe banyare korali abene una eyene nchire yemo yogokora obobegu gose obokurumi na boigo obungainiria obugendete kwanekiwa asia mangana yechimbusuro obubokoirera oko kyagwendagera aiga sense ya Kenya gosokoleta ligesa litari eliekerengo kilikiganiri.
We have dispatched our inspectors across the country, and especially during the short rains around September, October, any person found selling fake seed is going to be arrested and taken to court and prosecuted according to Seed and Plant Varieties Act. Also, as CAFIS, we are opposed to the proposed amendment of Seed and Plant Varieties Bill, which was brought to Senate by Senator Olekina. This is because if this amendment goes through, there will be a lot of substandard seed being sold to farmers, and the cases of fake seed might increase.
So CAFIS, we are very keen, especially this time that people are preparing for planting, and we want to warn all those people who are involved in the illegal trade. Very soon our inspectors will be going around, and we will be very keen to ensure that the farmers are getting the correct seeds for planting. You know the dangers when the farmers are planting the fake seeds, like this area, if you have someone in Mengo and just getting grains, you get the maize or other crops for the other areas, then you bring them here, and then farmers, when they plant.
Mwancho murigeria omo governor of county ya Kakamega omoske barasa na boigo omokonye omoske Ayub Savula negati ya barai ibande nigo bono banyarire komomochia omwaziri bwebiombe no bonchoreria obokoboke gose omoske Wycliffe Oparanya na igo nekiro banyare kumuboria anyare kwerusanania ase siasa ye kaunti ya Kakamega kolengana na barai abo nigo oparanya abwate ikirogo ekenene asense gusekiro kyobo waziri ekiabonete gokorera abakenya emirimo na boigo Chinsa mochinde nigo banyare kumumochia omospika gusomonogeri bwebunge nene omosike Moses Wetangula nekironere bakumuboria na siasa ti kaunti ya Kakamega banyare guchibeka mbarabare.
Tulikuwa tumepatia Oparanya heshima kama governor mwanzilishi hapa, lakini hiyo tabia ambaye alionyesha for the last 1 week ya kwanza kusema nataka kudunisha governor hapa, jana alipata majibu, alipata kupata. Sisi tunajua ya kwamba candidate wa jana alikuwa Oparanya, sio nabii. Mtu ambaye alikuwa nyuma ya nabii ni Oparanya, na hiyo lazima isemwe wazi. We have evidence. Watu ambao walikuwa delegates wa nabii walilala kwa Oparanya Ilikuyani. Nitoboe nisitoboe? Ile pesa ambayo nabii alikuwa anatembea nayo hapa ilikuwa imetoka kwa Oparanya. Nitoboe nisitoboe? So mimi nataka kuambia Oparanya ya kwamba stop micromanaging Kakamega County.
Sisi tuna hope na Wetangula awe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya 2032. Lakini ukianza wajumbe ukianza kutajataja kwa hii maneno watakuharibia. Wetangula, stop your MPs from using your name. Watakuharibia jina wakiweka kwa siasa ya Kakamega. Kama Oparanya koti yako imebakia huko, mimi baraza nipatie koti Oparanya nimpelekee. Mwanaume ukisonga mbele, songa mbele. Tulikuwa tumekupea respect kama former governor wa Kakamega County. Lakini sasa kwa sababu umejidunisha, mpaka unakuja hapa chini kuanza kupigana na kazi ambayo governor baraza anafanya. Mimi yesi rafiki yangu tena, with due respect, Moses Masika Wetangula. Kama unataka kuhijack Western, use the formula ambayo inaweza tusaidia. Use the formula ambayo inaweza Western. Leta unity in Western. Usilete mgawanyiko. Kwa sababu hii mgawanyiko limetuweka nje ya serikali kwa miaka mingi. Sasa mtoto wetu gavana ako pale Fernandes Baraza. Umeanza kukaa kwa mikutano. Ukichanga pesa karibu milioni 10. Ukipea Nabii na Wera apinge huyu Fernandes Baraza.
Mwancho murigere na soroboti orono tokora Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso kurende umerana 99 ase Ekeonga Chinsa 10 cyane romuragoba iritunyare gusangana arari agendrete ase orugongoro gusi na kubwa muno kora ase serikali enene ime agency yeito ya Kenya ase mitandao yeito ya kijamii Chinsa mo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube gendera gutonyora na boigo gutobwatia ase obo ime muno ase gutonyora una Getembe TV mbia muno sana nchenkoro kwa Matildah na kora ase ebimanyiro nere vene nyaboke tumirana nande ase Ekeonga Chinsa 10.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentrani bwa amavuta yani oil ya bwigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirange chiga nigo chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati wekari guri ria bantabati Obaigwa imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo gwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi Obaigwa enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom Obaigwa ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njana gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya ase Chinsa mubuna